Hello there. So we have learned about the basic structure of the CSS code, right? So in this video, we want to discuss about the element selector in CSS. What is that and how we can use that? It is quite simple and we are using that here. So I can write a comment here inside of the CSS as well. So I have to do / and then star. And note that in VS Code, everything turns gray. So to close the comment, star and then /. So we are inside of the comment, and here I can write element selector. Okay, so this is the element selector, right? So what is that? This is basically this thing. So inside of this index.html, I wanted to style this h1, this heading element, right? So to style that particular heading, I have to grab that particular tag here. Please remember, it is the tag, not the name of the tag, name of the element or the tag, basically. So this tag, and then have to go to the CSS, and then here, inside of here, we have h1, and then we have opened curly braces, and then we can write the CSS, basically the styles which we want to have inside of that particular element, right? So let's do something else. So after this, let's do an ul unordered list and then li, and do item 1 and do another one, item 2. So now we have this ul element, and then inside of that we have this li tags, right? And here, if we want to style the li, then what we have to do? We have to go to the CSS and then go here and then do li, and then do something like color to orange or something like that. So in this way, we can select the element by doing this, by the tag name of that particular element, and then we can open curly braces, and then inside of that we can write the styles which we want to have inside that particular element. So this is basically the element selector. Moving forward, we will learn more about these selectors. We have the classes, the IDs, the pseudo selectors, and so on and so forth, which we will learn. But for now, this is the basic of selecting the HTML elements by element selector.